Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I was holding it wrong.
Yeah, it's a little messy.
Don't worry about it. You want to give me an intro real quick?
Yeah, it's a PD412 dropped down to 1/2 an ohm and an original Pro Box with an 1800 watt AudioPipe amp. Everything's wired professionally. It's banging, man.
Okay.
I turned so many heads in this thing.
Oh yeah. For a single cab.
Yeah.
And this is at 1 ohm?
Yeah.
Alright. And what's your electrical like?
It doesn't dim or nothing. Nothing fades in and out. It's actually pretty dang.
So your stock alternator? Or?
Yeah, stock. Everything's stock.
Everything's stock.
No aftermarket, no
Really?
nothing.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, it's a 12. 12 in a Pro Box.
single 12 and a single cab. That's what I'm talking about, man. Appreciate the
it.
demo, man.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, thank you. Nice to meet you. I'm sweaty. I'm sorry.
That's all good, man.
It's hot.
Instagram and Snapchat.
Oh yeah, let's check it out, and also I'll check out your amp on the other side if that's all right. What vehicle is this?
So 2003 GMC Sierra 1500.
GMC's 1500. All right. It's a pretty big amp for that 12.
It does some damage.
On stock electrical too, so they're making it happen, man. King Jhonnie.
Yep.
All right. Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you, Jhonnie. Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.